I just picked up this 2013 Hyundai Accent. It have a engine knock. Thinking it could either be a loose timing chain or rod knot, which these cars are notorious known for. Here it goes. Right now I don't hear anything, but give it a few minutes when the car warm up, you will hear it. And there it goes. Just walk around to the motor. To me, it sounds like both. Sounds like a console loop and that's riding up.